Hey folks, what do we have here in this 5-gallon Home Depot bucket today? Let me pop the top right quick. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh, what is that? What is that, guys? I'll tell you what that is. That is 2 pair of nasty size 13 tennis shoes, okay? They're both New Balance brand, which I love New Balance, okay? They're great. But one pair stinks to high heaven because I think I used them to wash a car or pressure wash something. They got soaking wet, then they didn't dry out properly, and they got funky. They got real funky. And the other pair I used to recoat the driveway and paint the porch. It's got paint on it, and it's got the coating from the driveway, and actually I'm scraping it off right now. It's actually loosening up, guys, because I'm going to tell you what I put in this water today. I put some Zep industrial purple power in here, okay? I put some laundry detergent in here, about a full cup on top, okay? The Zep I probably put, I don't know, maybe 5 ounces, 4 or 5 ounces of it in this 5-gallon bucket, and some good old bleach, all right? I put about 2/3 of a cup of bleach in this bucket, filled it up with hot tap water, and we're just gonna let this soak, guys. We're gonna let it soak for several hours. Then we're gonna take it outside, fire up the pressure washer, and we're gonna clean these suckers. We're gonna make these shoes great again. Stay tuned. Okay, folks, we have the pressure washer already bleeding out here, ready to go. We've got our bucket of shoes here that we brought outside. They've been soaking for several hours, and let's pull these things out and see what they look like now. Okay, there's one, there's two. These are the ones that had the paint all over them, and actually that stuff looks like it's actually really loose now. I can actually pull it off with my fingernail. I think the pressure washer is gonna knock the rest off of it, but I think what I'm gonna do is take a wire brush and actually help it along a little bit. Now these here were the ones, they didn't have anything stuck to them. They were just nasty. They had a funk to them that would curl your toes there, friends and neighbors. Now these little things here, we'll just rinse these, the inserts, we'll rinse those off with a water hose and lay them out to dry in the sun. We'll pull them out of here. That's everything right there, folks. All right, guys, I want to show you something here right quick. I've got a wire brush here, and I got this pair of shoes that has 2 types of paints on it. It has some porch paint from when I painted my deck, and it also has some black driveway resealer on it from when I done my driveway, okay? Now both of them are a latex base, and they should pull right off of here, and as you can see they are. I don't know if you can see right there where I'm at. Let's see if I can get this in the camera. And I'm just running the wire brush across here, and it's knocking off, breaking up most of this stuff. I'm being careful not to like really gouge in and tear up the fabric on the shoe, but as you can see this is working pretty good just to knock that stuff off. The soaps and stuff have already kind of done something to it to help loosen it. As we can see right there, let's just see what this does to it. You can see, so we're going to probably end up getting the majority of this paint off of this pair of shoes. It's going to really make them look nice, okay? And then we're going to take the pressure washer, and I think that's definitely going to take the rest of it off. So guys, stay tuned. I'll keep working on these 2 shoes right here, and then we'll get the pressure washer fired up and get these things cleaned up. Okay folks, I think I pressure washed them about all I can. If you look, these black shoes are actually looking almost like brand new now. All that paint's gone off of them. They look really nice. And the older one, these here are actually the really old ones, but they look really nice too. Man, they look good. I'm hoping that funky smell got out of them. That was the biggest, that's the biggest reason I put the bleach in the mixture. I wanted it to kill anything that's causing all that funky smell. Guys, we're gonna take these inside now. Notice I put the 5-pound weights in there. I'm sure you figured it out if you hadn't already. I put the weights inside the shoe to keep the shoes from flying off when I started pressure washing them, okay? That's what the weights are for, okay? So just remember that little trick if you have a pressure washer and you decide to do this yourself. Okay, I'm gonna take them inside, throw them back in the sink, and we'll do a little bit of hot water rinse with it under the sink, and then we'll just set them out to dry. Back here at the sink, we've got some hot water coming out of the spigot here. We're going to take these inserts here, we're just going to simply rinse them really good on both sides, okay? We're going to let them air dry. The same thing with the shoes, folks. I'm just going to get in here and rinse them really good with some hot water, just the temperature that comes out of the spigot, and then we'll set them out to dry, okay? That's basically all we're going to do. Okay folks, hey, we're done. We got these things all rinsed off and they are really clean. I'm very impressed at the way these turned out, especially these black ones with all that paint and stuff that was on them. I thought they were just destroyed, but these will actually be okay to wear in public now, you know, because I wanted to get some more life out of them anyway. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to have to turn them up like so, you know, in front of a vent, and allow the air from the vent to blow on them tonight. And we'll probably have to put 2 shoes in front of a vent and 2 shoes in front of another vent, and we will let them dry the best they can overnight. And then tomorrow we will take them back outside. We got another sunny day coming tomorrow in the Carolinas, and we'll set them out there tomorrow and let the sun really dry them out good, and we'll show you what they look like then. Okay guys, hey, we're going to wrap this video up right now. What I ended up doing was I put these in front of the vents for a little while, but then I wanted to go ahead and speed up the process, so I decided to run them through the dryer, okay? And I piled a bunch of blankets and stuff in there with them so they wouldn't bang around and tear my dryer up as bad, because I was just in a hurry. I couldn't wait until tomorrow when the sun comes out. So anyway, these things turned out great, guys. Look at these shoes. I mean, they look almost like brand new. Before we had paint and the sealer from doing the driveway that was caked all over these shoes, okay? And this old pair here stunk really bad, and now look here. Smells as fresh as a daisy now. Really, it did clean it up. That soap soaking in there for a while, a little bit of Clorox, killing any germs and stuff. And guys, we have made our shoes awesome again. We're gonna go by the Academy tomorrow, pick up a couple brand new sets of shoelaces and lace up these old shoes, and we'll put some more miles on them. Thanks for stopping by today and checking out our video on my way, the Mint Hillbilly way of cleaning up some old nasty shoes. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Take care.